Hi guys, welcome back to Cortex, a snowy one this time. And again some tips and tricks to use your ID model. Maybe you can learn some things from it. So let's go. Well guys, another ID5 compared to my GTX. This is a full base model, but some of you guys asked me how it's possible to wrap your logo because the cruise control radar behind it. Well, a simple trick, there isn't a radar behind this, but it's underneath here. So you can safely wrap your Volkswagen logo black or something. And of course it's a bit colder in the winter. A lot of you guys have a problem with the DC charging, speeds which are very low, etc. because the battery isn't warm. And of course there's no preheating. Well, there is. If you charge your car at home and you work with the air conditioning functions and the charging times, the car uses a sort of timer to get the car charged and warm, and even if it's on a charging pole, it will preheat the battery, so your range is better. And well, DC charging, you won't use it if the battery is full, but then the battery is warm, and that's the only function you can use, the preheating function of the battery. A little tip from me: if you want to get the battery warm, you can use it like a sort of yo-yo. So full throttle, put it in the B mode, let go of your gas so that it brakes, and again full throttle, and repeat that a few times, and the battery will be warmer than normal, and it will help with charging with cold weather. Well, as I said, this car is a base model, so this car doesn't have that function, but the cars with the Comfort package or Comfort Plus has the air care mode. It's a really big interior filter, and it can help by make the air a bit cleaner, so it removes pollen, etc. So it's better for your condition. And then this message, guys, already got it? There's a simple solution for it. Call your Volkswagen dealer. There's a little update for it. It's done in about 10 minutes, and you will never get this message again. How cool is that? Well guys, did you know there's a bright and dark mode for the infotainment and also for this little display? You go to interior lighting and you can put the design in bright, your screen is white, and also this function is white. I personally don't use it in the dark because it's sort of blinding, so I always have it in the dark mode. And again, I think it looks a bit better, but there's a function for it. And of course the touchpad on the steering wheel. A often mentioned problem with the ID models, not only the ID but also the Golf, Polo, etc. I seriously love them, and I hate it to see that Volkswagen gives in to remove them and give back the normal buttons. But did you guys know, if you just swipe it, it also works. So you don't have to push it, but you can also swipe it. The infotainment system also have a sort of gesture control function. You can just swipe with your hand to go to the next menu. So I don't use it very often, I always do this, but yeah. And again, the message that there are new preferences, but you can just swipe it like this. Well guys, very often asked question is how to get the main user out of your infotainment system. Really easy. You can't do it over here, but if you put the car back into factory settings, everything's out, and also the main user is out, so you can just log in with your account and again have the new main user of the car. For you guys who want to drive in the UK or something, or on the right side on the road, if you got the IQ Light headlights, so the design package, you have under headlights a button to switch your headlights to the right side of the road. So the car knows that you're on the opposite side and you can switch it. And on the cars with the standard headlights, you sadly have to buy the ugly stickers. The plus side of the standard headlights is that you can easily just raise or lower your headlight beam. So really easy. I hear a lot of you guys ask, how can I see that I have a heat pump on the car? Well, really easy. If you open the frunk, which isn't there, this car doesn't have a heat pump. If it's got a heat pump, it says at the coolant fluid R744, and so you can see how you have a heat pump on the car. Well guys, a snowy ID.5. I hope you guys liked the video. It's another part of the how to work with the ID models. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and until next time guys.